Hello everybody. If you are in my Telegram or Discord channel, you would know that with this strategy I predicted the recent Bitcoin moves so perfectly, and you can see it in these pictures. I have already made 2 or 3 videos about ICT Daily Bias, but that was using 4-hour chart, and in this video I will use daily time frame to explain it. And some of the viewers say it's not ICT strategy, but it works exactly like ICT, and if you try to trade with this strategy you will catch big moves, and it will work better than ICT strategy on crypto, and it works equally well on forex. So let's move to this strategy. I will use market structure break and fair value gap in this lecture. The candle which breaks the structure, I will call it MSB candle. So first I will explain what is market structure break, okay, and what is MSB candle. So whenever a candle closes below a swing low or above a swing high, we say that it broke the structure. Like you can see this big black candle, it closed below this swing low, so we say that it is market structure break, okay, or this is MSB candle. Also, if a candle closes above or below a previous MSB candle, we say this is MSB candle, okay. Like here, this candle broke the structure to the downside, so this is our MSB candle, and the top of this candle is of importance, okay, so we will mark this level, okay. Now here this candle broke the structure as it closed below this swing low, so we say this is also an MSB candle. So we will draw a line here, okay. So this is also MSB candle top. Here you can see this candle also broke the structure, so we will draw a line here, and then we have got the next MSB candle here, okay. So how to trade using these candle tops or bottoms. So whenever a candle closes above the previous MSB candle top, we say the structure got broken and our target is the next MSB candle top. So here it closed above it, so our target now would be the top of this candle. Here we didn't get in because I was expecting a retest of these levels, so we didn't get in and it pumped to this area. Now you see it closed above this MSB candle top, so our next target would be the top of this MSB candle, okay. So it retested this area and again it pumped. It closed above it, so it went up to that MSB candle top, okay. We didn't get in here again because it went straight up, and you can see it closed above it, so I was expecting a pump towards the swing high, but the next day the structure got broken to the downside, and I shorted at this point. If you are in the Telegram or Discord group, you would know that we shorted here, and it came down and filled that fair value gap. Fair value gap is the gap between this candle and the bottom of this candle, so it came down. We got a PO3 here. See, this is a PO3 accumulation, manipulation, and then we got continuation, okay. So you can see by drawing few lines, just 2 or 3 lines, we predicted the direction of the market perfectly, okay. Now it closed above this again, so the next target would be this area, okay, this 26.8k area, but I will enter it if it retests this area, okay, then these gaps get filled, then I will long. Obviously I will scalp trade Bitcoin, but for a swing trade I will wait for this area and then I will long towards 26.8k, okay. So just by using the top of the MSB candle, you can predict the market direction, and it will help you a lot in your entries. Once you know the direction and you know your daily bias, then it's easier to get entries at the right spots, okay.